Hey, is this thing on? Testing, testing. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I am Mike, aka Living with 3M Auto Vlogging. See, got big Zeus under the carport, got the hood popped. So what does that mean? That means we got some action going on today with a new mod. Now, what new mod, you may ask? What am I into today? You guys know that I'm always modding, accessorizing, changing things up. That's just me, gotta be me. So I reached out to a company called Evil Energy because it's long past time to add an oil separator to this truck. And you're like, what's an oil separator? Well, these Ecoboost twin turbo engines are notorious for sucking that oil back through the PCV valve in the system. So it's really just recirculating oil. When it boosts up, it sends that oil straight back through the intake. And I'm telling you guys, that is not good on these engines. So reached out to the company, got me an oil catch can, oil separator, oil catch can, whatever you want to call it. It does not allow that oil to go back through the intake. And I don't know why I have not invested in this until now, but we're going to put this thing on today, and I'm going to take you guys on the install journey with me. So stay tuned. I'm going to show you what we're going to need to remove first. All right, got a drill with my 10mm on there. Let's reverse that because you're going to have to remove two 10mm nuts right there. Be careful not to drop them down in the engine. All right. All right, so this should just pop up right now. Yep, just like that. All right, so I'm gonna show y'all what's in the pack. What's up, buddy? What's up? Oh, what's up, my new buddy? This is gonna be our mount for our catch can. And I imagine this is gonna be the actual can and wire, or hose, not wiring. Yep. Let's take some of these snips. Careful not to cut the hose. That would not be good. All right, so what we're gonna disconnect and we're gonna be working with is right here. Short little hose. We're gonna disconnect this, and remove this factory tube. So on this back one, we just put our screwdriver right there, and you just get a little leverage on that gray clip. Push it like that, wiggle it, and there it comes. Just like that. And yeah. All right, you can kind of see this when you rotate it over to the front. And we're just gonna push that. Push the screwdriver right there under that. Gain some leverage. Pull it right off, just like that. It's those where it's like this. Yeah. All right. And we'll put this one back here on. Also, our hardware in the pack right here, what they give us, your can will go up here on this, but see the two screws in the bottom plate right here? On the battery tray, they make that where we're gonna drill two small holes. So it's gonna sit right about like that. Carefully. Just like that. Okay guys, so after you drill your hole, you want to put this And this wiring harness will slide it in behind this, so that'll help hold it. Put your bolt through the top. Nut on the bottom. Now I'm gonna take my catch can and we're gonna move it around just like this. All right, so I've got these little screws supplied with the kit. All right, there's one. And two. All right, I do not advise taking a drill with a screwdriver tip on it to do this, because you can round that out so easily. It's only a few turns. And like I say in a lot of my videos, you don't want to white knuckle death grip it. There it is. So, looks good. Hoses are down, out of the way, connected. All right, guys, that's going to do it for the video. I appreciate y'all tuning in. We're going to do an update video in about 6 to 8 months and show you exactly how much the Catchcan has accumulated in oil. So stay tuned for that. Also, check out my channel page right here. Y'all, I'm telling you, I'm coming out with videos weekly and in abundance this coming spring and summer. I've got a lot of mods. People are approaching me about doing product reviews about their stuff. So yeah, stay tuned in. I'm going to give them my honest review. To this point, I've purchased most of my stuff, and some products I turn down. I tell people, no, I won't do that because I won't put it on my truck. So I'll give an honest review when I do start doing those type videos. All right, remember, put this in the toolbox, because you never know if you have to put that back on. That's the factory PVC tube. And yeah, that's going to do it for the video, guys. Remember, check out the channel page, watch my videos, subscribe, throw me a big thumbs up, shout it out to all your friends, comment in the section below, and I will catch y'all in the next video. Later now.